What's up, YouTube? It's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Looking at yesterday, this is basically the reason why we can't jump the gun. We had this candle over here that actually came all the way down to the 1414. It met the 1414 target during the candle, but before the candle had closed, the bulls stepped in showing strength, and the bulls are fighting for this level, and they still are. As you can see, we came back to that 1 fib level and bounced off it. As long as we're above this orange line and this 1 fib level, we will not be going down lower. You can see after hitting the 1414, what did you do? You reclaimed the 1 fib level, you hit the 0618, and you're coming back down to hold the 1 fib level as support. And if we can continue to do so, that means that we will no longer lose the support. And if you remember me yesterday, I was basically saying, before you lose this, there's no reason to believe you're going to continue going lower and lower and lower. And as we lost it, I had people asking me, Louis, are we going to enter a short? And I was basically just saying, the market is just too manipulated at the moment, guys, to want to enter trades when the market doesn't know what it wants to do, which is what it's showing you by this consolidation period. When the market doesn't even know what it wants to do, why do you think that you're going to get the trade right when the market doesn't even know what it wants to do? You see, every breakout becomes a fake out. Every breakout becomes a fake out. Every breakout becomes a fake out. Breakout becomes a fake out. Breakout becomes a fake out. Breakout, because I could continue. Breakout becomes a fake out. Wicks are saying that at one moment they were there but didn't like being there, so fake out. So you were down here during that 4 hour, before the 4 hour close, you went back up. So this is why we trade on confirmation. We don't just chase a pump or a dump, for example. And yeah, if those people that were asking me, shall we enter a short, if they took the short, then yeah, would have got it wrong. And at the moment, you're holding the 1 fib level, so no reason to believe we're going down. Once we do close, and that's a close of 4 hour candle below the 1 fib level, yes, we're going to 27.7k, the 1618 target, the true 2021 bottom. The second 2021 bottom is 28k, so that's why I've drawn this green box yesterday, because it's this huge area of support. Big area of support. You can imagine as well, there's probably so many buy orders below this, and that's why every time we come down, we just get pushed straight back up. Now, of course, don't get me wrong, we've been calling this as a descending triangle for many days now over here, and that of course has bearish targets. We'll just get that for you quickly. So from there to there, you can see your bearish target would be a higher low. The 2414 target, 26.5k, that's still higher than this one, but if you're going there, you are losing some key supports, as in this green box which I just mentioned. And if we were to come down here, you'd have to instantly reclaim this to head back up. Otherwise, you are going to eventually put in that lower high and roll lower, turn this from support into resistance and roll lower. That is obviously the scenario that we don't want, but of course it can happen. We've got no decision on it. Just prepare for both. And yeah, you won't be surprised if it happens. Basically, you're prepared. Other than, oh, this is 100% a W pattern, it's only going up, let me invest all my money because I know 100% we're going to 33k. And then what happens? You go down because you weren't prepared, and then you're like, oh, I went all in. So that's why, guys, it's just best to not keep a bias. The only bias that we have is, long term this goes up. That's the only bias we have as a long-term investor. Otherwise, we wouldn't be in this market at all. But in the short term, day to day, it really does not matter, guys. And yeah, you know this by now. I've been telling you absolutely every single day. But yeah, that's why we just have to be patient, and we just prepare for both scenarios and we react. You see here, a lot of people were impatient because it was a massive red candle. They wanted to sell it. What are you doing with that? You're chasing the money. You're not trying to master trading. You're not waiting for the confirmation that it is going to go lower. The candle closed, the 4 hour candle closed. That is what a trader would do. Someone that's chasing money is going to lose because they're just going to chase any pump and dump. And yeah, hopefully, if you did take the trade, you got humbled, because it's just a lesson to be learned. Of course, I don't want anyone losing, but get these lessons out the way while you're in the learning. Don't do these same mistakes years into your trading. Get them out of the way now so you don't have to do them later and lose more money the deeper you are in. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're not getting enough likes. Let's try and get to 50 likes. Please, let's get some more subscribers. We are starting to grow again. Let's get to 2,630 by the end of this day. Let's see if we can do that. Thank you guys so much. If you're interested in the mentorship or the crypto packages and you want to hear more about it, private message me on my Twitter. The link is down below. If you want to give back to the channel because I've made you money or saved you money, the super thanks is down below. All the memberships are there too. We haven't got our first member yet, but of course there's an option where you get every single thing mentioned in the memberships, including discounts, including priority messages, including videos before they even come out, as well as as well as group live stream mentorship sessions if you take up the biggest option. Just go check them out, guys. If you're interested, yeah, you know what to do. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.